Wine labels are customized foil stamping labels. Using coated paper, textured paper and paper with metal texture, as well as foil and film surface material and other materials. The 3D varnish labels are waterproof and tear-resistant with wide range of application. Long service life, high gloss, 3-dimensional, metallization, anti-counterfeiting performance, and other aspects of outstanding effects. The smooth surface and smooth printing off the wine bottle labels, self-adhesive, can meet the requirements of various users for the aesthetic printing.